Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Duluth local, and long-distance movers near me. As one of the most trusted long-distance movers in Duluth, we take care of your long-distance move responsibly at an affordable price. You can also approach us to meet your specific needs. Here's what you can expect from us: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring local movers in Duluth may seem unnecessary for people who don't have a clear idea about the benefits of seeking professional help. The advantages outweigh the disadvantages, and the price looks meager compared to the excellent benefits that professional local movers offer. Not only that you lack the skills and experience to handle your goods safely compared to Duluth movers, but you most likely also don't have the time and resources to move your possessions efficiently. We have a team of highly experienced and knowledgeable professional movers who know the art and science of moving and develop a fully customized solution that makes your relocation a hassle-free process. DIY methods often take 1 or 2 days to complete a local move. Our experts perform all local moves within a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Duluth moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.